See? Not lane splitting. Being a good boy, Mr. Police Officer. For now. What's up, everyone? Thanks for watching. This is Moto Noir. Thank you for joining me on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Truly is just a freaking glorious morning. I'm gonna head back to my apartment right now. I have an interview with the Kings County Prosecutor's Office. So apparently the prosecutor's office, they have researchers compile all the evidence and make sure that for warrants and things like that and for trials that everything is correct. It's pretty dope, actually. So I have an interview to be one of those researchers and evidence compiler, and it's kind of right up my alley. I love you know, true crime, things like that. In my first interview I did with them, I was like, yeah, this is kind of right up my alley, I think. I listen to a lot of true crime podcasts, and I'm kind of a fan of the dark and mysterious. And it's for major crimes, so my interview's for Major Crimes Unit. And that would be super dope. Right up my stinking alley. Plus, I just think it'd be fun, you know? It'd be a fun job to have. I need to find out what they pay, though. They have not mentioned what they pay. That would be a very big determining factor. Personally, you know? I gotta make a certain amount of money in order to live here. Let's get out of this mess if we so can. Oh man, yeah, so it's shaping up to be a pretty good day. Probably right after my interview I'll probably come back out and go for a nice speed rip and let the traffic settle down a little bit before doing that. As long as you do it around like 11, 12, 1 o'clock, you're not gonna hit too much traffic. Yeah, wow, look at that glorious city. Probably really can't see it with the GoPro, but it clear skies, man. Wow, just really is just a gloriously beautiful day. If I can slip in front here, and I'll just slip all the way over, and then I'll just go down. Okay. Watch out for the popos. Popo can ruin your day real fast. Not bad. Dude, it's so easy to get in and out of Queens, back into Brooklyn, on a motorbike, on a motorcycle. And I'm not gonna do anything crazy here. Thought about doing a little move, and then I was like, you know what? Just enjoy the ride. Just enjoy the ride. Oh, so what else do I have going on today? I'm gonna probably do some video editing and get some vlogs done. Otherwise, it'll be a pretty basic day. Just chill, hang out, get some vlogs done. I think I'm gonna stop at the garage real quick. Stopping at all the stoplights today. Sheesh. Yesterday was Two-Wheel Tuesday, but I did not go. No, I did not go. None of us at the garage went. It was just, it was kind of rainy, kind of cold. It wasn't really rainy, it was like a mist, you know. It's just no fun when it's like that. Alright, gonna stop at the garage real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay. And rough. Okay. That was easy enough. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now I need to get home so I can use the restroom. Gotta. Never mind. I'm not gonna say it. I just need to get home. Oh, who's your doggy? Who's your doggy? See? Not lane splitting. Being a good boy, Mr. Police Officer. For now. Yeah, what else can I do today? Maybe apply for some more jobs. Maybe. Maybe, baby. I'll be you for you. Boom, 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 boom. Well, I wish this vlog would have been a slightly more entertaining, but you know, it is what it is. I'm kind of letting my vlogs be what they are these days. Some of my vlogs are planned and I have topics that I want to talk about. Some of them are just, you know, my days. And that's what this one is. It's just me doing my day, and I am talking while riding. It's kind of the funny thing. I was when I first started riding, I was watching vloggies. I was watching vlogs like, you know, Chase on Two Wheels and Motonosity. People, I haven't watched those guys in a while, to be honest with you. Let's get through here. There we go. Cut in front. And I was just talking to myself all the time, like doing little songs. So I was doing that anyways, and then I was just like, you know what, I might as well try and do this whole vlog thing. That's how I got started with it. And then I saw Ducati NYC, and I was like, see, New York guy. New York vlogs are pretty cool. So I saw one guy doing it, and I was like, yeah, you know, I think I could do this too. And look at us now. All right, kids, this is where I leave you. I hope you have a great one, and I will see you on the next vlog. Have a good one. I'll see you later. Okay, bye-bye.